Wix is building an entire suite of AI tools, not just to help you create a website, but to help you manage more of your business online. The starting point is Wix Harmony, Wix's AI website builder. Wix is also the sponsor of today's video. To create your website, describe what you want, and Wix will create a full first draft for you. Then you have Aria, Wix's AI agent, to help you edit the site, create new sections, change the design, and write text. But the Wix AI tools go beyond the website builder. You can use AI to write blog posts, create SEO titles, generate images, edit photos, set up automations, plan your marketing, and even help with customer support. In this video, I'll walk you through the Wix AI tools that are most useful right now, what they do, where to find them, and how they fit into building and managing your website. Wix AI tools are the AI features built across Wix. Some help you build your website, some help you edit and personalize your site, some help with writing, images, SEO, marketing, automations, and customer support. At the forefront is Wix Harmony. Wix Harmony is Wix's AI website builder and editor. It helps you create a website from a prompt and then keep editing it from there. Inside Wix Harmony, you have Aria. Aria, Wix's AI agent, helps you build pages, create sections, write text, change the design, and make bigger updates to your site. So the easiest way to think about this, Wix Harmony is where you build and edit your site. Aria is like a creative assistant helping you inside that editor. And the rest of the Wix AI tools help you with the content, images, SEO, marketing, and business operations around your site. That's what makes this interesting. It's not just, can AI create a website? It's more like, how much of the website and business processes can AI help with? That's what Wix is building toward. Let's start with the biggest piece, AI web design and creation. Wix Harmony is the Wix AI website builder. You describe the site you want in plain language and Wix creates the first draft. That's the basic idea behind vibe coding. You describe the vibe, the business, the pages, and the goal, and AI builds the first version for you. For example, I could say, create a personal brand website for JJ Thalen. The goal is to grow an email list with a free guide, include a homepage, about page, work with me page, contact page, and a blog. Make it clean, premium, and simple. That would be enough for Wix to start, but here's an important point. The more detail you give Wix Harmony, the better the first draft gets. If you just type, make me a blog, Wix can create something for you, but it's probably gonna feel a bit generic. Not because the tool is bad, but because you gave it very little to work off of. It can't know you or your business unless you tell it. So before I build a site with AI, I'd like to give it a stronger brief. What is the website for? Who is it for? What pages do I need? What colors and fonts should I use? What do I want visitors to be able to do? There are a lot of questions involved, but that's why we created a website blueprint prompt. It takes about 30 to 45 minutes to go through, but that time can save you hours of fixing things later on. When Wix Harmony has the right information, the first draft is much closer to something you could actually publish. Then you're mostly replacing photos, cleaning up a few sections, and making the details feel like yours. This is why Wix also works well as an AI portfolio creator. If you're building a portfolio, the process is basically the same. You describe the work you do, the projects you want to show, and what you want people to do next. Wix can create the complete structure for your portfolio website so you don't have to stare at a blank template or do a lot of guesswork. If that's what you're building, we have a full video on how to make a portfolio with Wix, linked below. Once you have the first draft of your site, that's when Aria comes into the mix. Instead of hunting for the right section template, adding columns, resizing boxes, and trying to line everything up yourself, you can just ask Aria. With Aria, you basically have an AI section creator inside the editor. For example, I might say, create a 3-column section for my YouTube channels. Each column should include an embedded video, the channel name, and a short description. That's the kind of thing that I would hand to AI. It would take me a lot longer to build this myself. Aria can create the section and drop it into the page. If you give her clear instructions, she'll build something like this, and honestly, it's exactly what I was looking for, so no need to edit it further. You can also use Aria like a theme assistant. If the first draft is close, but the style feels a little bit off, just tell her what you want. Make the site feel cleaner with neutral colors. Use a dark navy color palette. Make the fonts bold and modern. That is often easier than manually changing every font, color, and section style one by one. For layout, you can use the switch layout tool or section layout controls. Or you can ask Aria to reorganize the section. Turn this into 3 columns. Move the image to the left and the text to the right. Give this section a cleaner layout. And this is where Wix works well. You can use AI when it saves time, but you don't have to use it for everything. If you want to move the text up a few pixels, resize an image, change the button color, or make a headline smaller, just do it yourself. That's usually faster than explaining it to AI. So you get both sides. You get the speed of Wix AI by using Aria for bigger changes, and you still have drag and drop control when that's the easier route. Next is content and text. This is one of the places I would probably use Wix AI the most. When Wix Harmony creates a site, it also writes the first version of the text. That could be your hero headline, your about section, your service descriptions, your contact page, a landing page. You don't have to write every line of copy before building your site. If you describe your business, audience, goals, and tone, Wix can create the first version for you. Then you can edit it from there. For most website pages, Aria works as your in-house AI text creator. If a headline is close but not quite right, you can ask Aria to improve it for you. Make it shorter, make it longer, simplify the language, change the tone. Or you can give a specific instruction. For example, expand on this idea, keep it clear, concise, and confident. This is useful because sometimes I'll explain something in too many words. AI can take the longer idea and turn it into clear text for the site. You can also do this for whole sections. Maybe you have a rough idea for a services section, but you don't know exactly how you want to phrase it. Tell Aria what the service is, who it helps, what the results that someone will get, then let her write the first version for you. This also works for landing pages. If I want to grow my email list, I can give Aria an idea for a free guide and ask her to build a landing page for it. What is the free guide? Who's it for? Why should someone want it? Give Aria that information and she can create the page, text, and structure. I also have a whole video on how to create a landing page with Wix, and we have a prompt that'll help you decide what to give away and what to put on your landing page. Linked below. Blog posts are a little different because Wix has AI tools inside the blog area itself. You can describe the blog post you want to create, and you can use the enhanced prompt option if you're having trouble expanding on your idea. Then it generates a full article with sections and headers. There's another way to do this too. You can click Create a New Post, Create with AI, then start a new blog post by describing the topic you want to write about right here. Then you choose the word count range in 500 word increments. You can choose the tone of voice like neutral or professional, or you can write in your own. You can choose the number of images you want included in the blog post. Under More Preferences, you can choose the post type, such as listicle or personal story. You can also add the target audience and SEO keywords. Then Wix generates the article draft. The point is not to just publish blindly every word that AI writes, but you don't have to stare at a blank page. If you want to show up more in Google, Bing, and AI search results, creating useful content matters. Blog posts can help with that, and AI makes this process much easier. You also don't have to use AI to write the entire article. Sometimes I would rather use it for title ideas or to create an outline. That'll give me the structure, but I'll still write the article myself. Once you are inside a post, you can highlight a section and ask AI to rewrite it for you. Shorten it, expand it, check the grammar, or change the tone. That might be the most useful version of the AI text creator. It's not replacing your ideas, it's just helping you clean them up. AI also helps with SEO text. For each page or blog post, you can generate an AI title and meta description. That's the text that helps Google and other search engines understand what the page is about. SEO matters because it helps people find your site. Wix making that process faster is a real advantage. Now let's talk about images and video. For visuals, I would think about Wix AI in two ways: creating a new image and editing an image that you already have. The AI image creator lets you create an image from a prompt. For example, if I were building a coffee shop website that sources its coffee from Guatemala, I could ask for an image of someone picking coffee with one of the country's volcanoes in the background. That doesn't mean that every AI image is going to be perfect, but it can help you if you need a placeholder, a blog image, or a concept image while you're building your site. The AI image editor is probably more useful for a lot of business websites because a lot of the time you already have the photos, they just need to be cleaned up. You can auto-enhance an image, erase an object, remove the background, swap the background, improve the resolution, or extend an image if it needs a different shape. For my personal brand, I still want real photos of me. For a restaurant, I want real food photos. For a portfolio, I want real work. But the AI image tools are helpful when a photo is close and just needs a little bit of work, or we need a temporary visual so the whole build doesn't stall waiting on one missing image. While Wix's AI website builder is the main focus, Wix is adding AI tools that help you with the rest of your business: marketing, customer messages, automations, SEO, and more. And by the time you're watching this, there may be even more. Wix keeps adding new AI features to make the process of starting and managing your business easier, so you can spend less time fighting with tools and more time running your business. One of those tools is Kleo, Wix's AI marketing agent. Kleo analyzes your site to create an overview of your business, which it'll then use to create marketing materials. Think of that as a briefing document for the AI. Review and edit what it creates. Once it has the right information, Kleo can help with SEO, social media content, blog ideas, email campaigns, and paid ads. Then there's Orion, the personal assistant. Orion is built for the day-to-day side of running your business. It can communicate with clients over email, SMS, and WhatsApp, send invoices, update your calendar, and keep your team in the loop. Juno is your AI front desk agent. It focuses on customer conversations, helping you prioritize important inbox messages. It suggests replies, recommends next steps, sends payment links, and even offers coupons when appropriate. Then there's Omni, the custom AI agent. Unlike the others, Omni is designed around your specific business workflows. You can decide what you want it to automate. If you run a booking-based business, it could follow up after appointments to collect feedback, recover unpaid bookings, celebrate customer loyalty milestones, or ask clients for testimonials. If you run an e-commerce store, it can help monitor inventory, track sales, respond to reviews, or automatically send coupons to customers. The Wix Smart Chat lets AI handle conversations with visitors directly on your website. It's especially useful if you find yourself answering these same questions over and over. What are your hours? Where are you located? How do I book? Do you offer this service? Instead of making visitors wait for a reply, Smart Chat can answer common questions instantly, so people get the information they need while you're busy running your business. AI isn't just useful for talking to customers. It can also handle work behind the scenes. Automations are a good example. For us, growing an email list is important. If someone fills out a form to download one of our prompts, I don't want to manually send it each time. Wix can do that automatically. I can create an automation. When the form is submitted, send this email. AI can even help you write the email and create the automation workflow. That saves time, but more importantly, it makes your website work for your business. Instead of just existing online, it's actively following up with leads, delivering resources, and handling repetitive tasks. AI also shows up in the SEO workflow. It can help guide you through the SEO setup, generate page titles, meta descriptions, and write alt text for your images. SEO is one of the main ways people discover your website. AI won't replace a good SEO strategy, but it makes following best practices much easier. So you're spending less time filling out fields and creating content that people actually want to find. That is the big picture of Wix AI Tools. Wix Harmony is the AI website builder and editor. Aria is the Wix AI agent inside the editor. You can use Aria to create pages, sections, text, and change layouts and design. You can use the blog AI tools to create outlines, title ideas, and full blog posts. You can use AI to create SEO titles, meta descriptions, and image alt text. You can use the AI image creator and AI image editor for your visuals. And Wix is continuing to add AI across marketing, automations, customer communications, and day-to-day business management. That's really where all of this is headed. AI isn't just helping you build your website anymore. It's helping you run it. From marketing and customer support to follow-ups and repetitive admin work. It's taking more and more of the small tasks off your plate so you can spend more time on the work that's actually going to grow your business. If you want to try Wix for yourself, you'll find the link in the description below. And if you want to see the full website building process, watch this video right here. If you're not sure what to put on your website yet, watch our website blueprint walkthrough right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.